Hey, sixth graders, this is just a really super short, quick video on Daily Language Arts number 2, just in case you were gone or if you want to, if you forgot what we talked about in class. So, this is going to be about a couple things. It's going to be about plural nouns. I'm sorry, I'm like totally distracted on here. So, there we go. Plural nouns, and they're going to be different every single day. So, this is just super easy, just identifying the plural nouns. And then this, you're just going to underline the prefix trans, and trans means across, through, or change. So you're just going to underline them. And then the idiom for the week is on the double, which means very quick or right away. Now, make sure you're following the directions. That's kind of key for this assignment. It says use the space to draw the figurative meaning. So the figurative meaning means very quickly or right away. Okay, so then I just drew these people running very fast. And then down here, you're going to correct the sentence. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 errors on that one. And that's what you're going to do. I'm just going to review a little bit here. You read it, you do it. This is a matching. And then number 1, this might be a little bit different too. If you need help with this, just meet me at Google Meets or send me an email. So good luck.